Now get a mug, a good sized coffee mug, and put in 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Then add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Any sugar's fine. Now these are just rough estimates, so don't worry about it being exact. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa. And just give this a bit of a mix. Yeah, ha ha hum. Now add an egg. Now give this a nice mix and mix this in thoroughly. Now pour in roughly 3 tablespoons of milk and about 3 tablespoons of oil. And give this a good mix. Now just put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Then pour in about 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips and mix that in. Now put this in the microwave for 3 minutes on high. If you've got a 1000 watt microwave, that's perfect. Now don't worry, the cake's going to rise. It probably will rise over the top of the mug, so don't freak out. It's all good. And there you have it. So simple.